Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. Looking for extra cash? There are plenty of ways to do it, and one of those ways is copying and pasting YouTube videos. Yes, you heard us right. You can then monetize it and earn up to hundreds a day. Want to find out how? Check out this list of steps. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money copying and pasting videos. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss a crucial step to earning money on YouTube. Number 5. Go to Pexels website. Pexels is a site that hosts tons of free stock photos and stock images. On this site, you can download as much or as little as you like, and it's all 100% copyright free. This will help you to avoid getting demonetized on YouTube. In order to create a stunning video, you need great visuals. The great thing about Pexels is that the site has tons of high-quality images and videos. No more digging through low-quality images just to find one that is interesting. Just go on the site and search something that pertains to your video. Maybe you want a fitness video. Type in fitness and find all of the images and videos that you need. Once you find one that you like, click on the image or video. This will open up a new window. Then click on free download and the footage should start downloading. Easy, and you don't even need an account to do this. Go to the site and start stockpiling footage for use in your videos. Number 4. Go to YouTube's audio library. What is a great video without great audio? YouTube has tons of royalty-free tracks in their audio library. You can type in keywords like inspirational and motivational. Then, from the drop-down menu, you can select a genre. There are plenty to choose from, such as ambient, classical, and pop. And you can also select moods, instruments, and durations to really narrow down your search results even further. Then a list of songs will appear, all according to your specification. You can sample these songs and see if you like them. Once you find something you like, go onto the right side of the audio clip and click on the downward-facing arrow. Then the file will download straight to your computer. You won't have to worry about any copyright issues or demonetization, as these are all clipped by YouTube, and they've provided users with these clips, so there shouldn't be any problems. Number 3. Add a voiceover. If you want a cool inspirational video, you may notice nice words being spoken over the top of the audio. These spoken words are usually motivational and talk about mindsets and other inspirational topics. A lot of these are spoken by successful people, and this gives the video an impactful feeling to it. In order to make your videos feel the same way, you need to add these kinds of voiceovers. But where can you get them without any copyright issues? You can visit the Internet Archive. This is a great site if you're looking for archived books, audio files, video files, websites, software, and images. There are millions of files on the site. The best part is that a majority of the files are copyright free. First, go to the top of the page and click audio. You'll want to find spoken word files. These will be great for when people just want to zone out and listen to your video. Now, click on audiobooks and poetry. This page contains tens of thousands of items, so you will definitely need to narrow it down. Figure out what you are looking for. What are people going to want to hear in your videos? Type something into the search box like getting rich, then hit enter. Then you can narrow it down by going to the media type and checking audio. Then go through the assortment of audio and find something that interests you. Choose one and click on it. Check the license. Most are going to say public domain and CC. CC stands for Creative Commons, and that means that you'll be free to use this however you like. You can preview the audio from this page by clicking the play button. You'll want to find something that is really inspirational and will fit your footage. Listen to the words being spoken. Do they resonate with you? When you find something you like, scroll down and go to the download box. There will be many file options, but just click on the download button next to an MP3 file. Then it will download directly to your computer. Now you've got great audio for your video. Number 2. Edit a video. Next, you'll be editing together a quick video using what you've gathered. First, you're going to need an editing software. If you've got an Apple device, you can use iMovie. If not, you can download free software such as DaVinci Resolve or OpenShot. OpenShot is a great option if you're just looking for a basic and intuitive software to cut and edit pieces of footage and audio together. This works with Mac, Linux, and Windows computers. If you need some help using the software, their website has plenty of video tutorials on how to get started. They even have more advanced tutorials for things like chroma keying, but that really shouldn't be necessary for these copy and paste videos. To start editing, find all of your footage, images and audio, gather them up together, and then keep them organized inside one folder. Then you can open up a new project in your editing software. Once that's opened up, go to the folder and drag your files into the editing software. That will bring them all into the application. Find your flow, figure out how you want your footage to look, then start dragging the clips onto your timeline. You can edit the length by cutting so that it fits better. You can also slow down or speed up the footage to your liking. Fit the clips together so they are coherent and look nice. Play back your video and see how it looks. Continue to change it up and make sure it looks great. Keep checking the length of each clip. Are they too long? Short clips and quick cuts tend to help people stay focused on your videos. Next, you'll grab your music file and drop that onto the timeline under your video files. Play with the volume to make sure it isn't too loud or too quiet. That will affect your video greatly. Keep it at a nice medium so it's not too distracting. The music should be felt, not heard. Adjust your clips so the timing matches up with the music. It doesn't have to go with every beat, but it does help to make some beats match up so the video feels more impactful. Play back your clip. How is it? Does it feel like it resonates with you? If it doesn't, continue to edit it. Make the music and the video flow together better. Lastly, you'll be dropping in your audio narration. Much like the music track, you will need to find a nice volume that works with the video. The narration should be heard properly over the music, so adjust it accordingly. If the clips don't match with the narration, adjust it. Play back your video again. You should feel impacted while watching it. Maybe it will give you chills. Just continue to tweak it until you find it to be perfect. Then, render your video. Render it with high quality settings. It should be in HD so that it's enjoyable to watch. Then, upload it to YouTube. Continue editing videos using this technique to create many of the same style of video with different variations. Maybe you could even find a niche. For example, if you like editing fitness videos together, maybe your main thing could be fitness videos. Or maybe you like to have a wider range of videos so you gather up a larger audience. Find out what you like to edit and what you're best at. Continue to upload as many videos as you can and get your viewership up and build an audience. Number 1. Monetize your video on YouTube. There are certain requirements needed in order to have your videos monetized on YouTube. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. With these kinds of videos though, you should have no problem hitting these numbers. Just keep uploading and watch the numbers rise. They're popular, so people will always be looking for new ones to watch and listen to. You'll also need a Google AdSense account, so go on over to that site and set up an account so you're ready to go once you reach eligibility for monetization. As soon as you hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, go ahead and submit your page so they can review it and you can get monetized as soon as possible. There is also a way to make money off of YouTube before you become eligible by using ClickBank. So even if you aren't monetized yet, you can still make money. Just go on over to ClickBank and sign up. This will make you an affiliate. ClickBank has a large marketplace that's filled with products that you can promote. When people buy from your link, you get anywhere from 40 to 70% on commissions. There are many categories to choose from, so you can advertise based off of who your video is targeted to. If you are making a motivational workout video, you can advertise links to health products. If you are making artistic videos, you can advertise art and entertainment products. All you would do is take the link and add it to your description, then get people to click on it by telling them it's there. If people buy, you earn a percentage of the sales. Monetizing your videos is a great way to earn a passive income. You can start today and watch your channel grow. These videos and techniques could earn you anywhere from $100 to $300 a day. It isn't a simple task, but after a while, it gets easier to maintain. Using affiliate links is the simplest way to start out making money on copy and paste YouTube videos, but growing it so that you'll be able to monetize it through ads should be your goal. This can help you earn some cash on the side of your current income. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.